Okay, g'day all. This is going to be very interesting. I have my beautiful wife Jenny. She's doing the filming. Say hello, Jen.
G'day.
A bit more enthusiasm. Say hello, Officer Steam Forum.
G'day, Officer Steam Forum.
Just so you know, Jenny spoke to Nick on the phone the other day, which was pretty cool. Anyway, look, to get onto this, you'll remember that Gil and I bought some engines from enginelover.com and we both paid PayPal. The next day Gil lodged some complaints with PayPal, as did I. I was refunded one and Gil was refunded two. So one of my engines ended up, it was $99, one of my engines ended up, kept coming. Now I've been on the phone to PayPal and they said to me that they were aware of what was going on, but to please just let the transaction keep going and to document it when it came in. So Jenny and I went up to the post office today, Wednesday the 11th, is that right, Jen?
No, it's the 10th.
Sorry, Wednesday the 10th. And this was the parcel that we were given. Straight away I knew, well, that's not going to be the a hit and miss engine because of the size of the box. So that's what I bought from engine.com. Sunnytech vertical hit and miss gas engines, upgraded water cooling, and as you can see, it's gins upright with the radiator. You'll see the tracking number 33XHE124686101000935 which is the same tracking number on the parcel that's come from Australia Post through the mail from China. So let's see what they've sent us, because it's definitely not what I've ordered. So PayPal, I hope you're watching, and when I send this to PayPal, I would ask why you allow a scammer to use PayPal as a payment method when you must have literally hundreds of complaints about this company. So there's the box. Break the seal and let's see what they sent us instead of the upright hit and miss engine. Okay, we have whatever that is. It's like a glass tube. No. Well, it's not a hit and miss engine. Okay, there's the scam. So, look at this piece of crap. Look at this absolute utter. That looks like it's painted. It's got a rubber band on it. A bit of conduit. Just can't think of that, like a plumber's thing to hold pipe against the wall. Look at that absolute piece of crap that they sent me, and that is what I paid for. Say PayPal, I'm going to be contacting you a little bit later on, and I'm going to be asking you to rectify this and to look after a 20-year customer, and I hope that you stop these people, engine.com, from being able to use your company for payment methods. So anyway, this is going into the scam section of the forum, and I hope me being scammed and falling for this scam, I hope this helps everybody in the future, that so it doesn't happen to you. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and PayPal, come through, because I won't let this go. Bye for now.